What if I told you that you could make an extra $2,000 this month with your short-term rental in less than 4 minutes? If your first instinct is skepticism, I don't blame you. But this one setting within this one tool is so powerful that I needed to share it with you. Hi, I'm James Fedek, co-author of Airbnb for Dummies and one of the world's leading short-term rental educators. Over my 8 years of hosting through every market cycle, I've personally managed dozens of listings while earning a full-time income myself and traveling the world full-time. I've been featured in some of the world's biggest publications and helped thousands of hosts to level up their hosting. Through B&B Mastery, I've helped over 800 hosts to optimize their business, plus helped over 700 people launch successful co-hosting careers. I'm here to help you with your short-term rental. Whether you're a host with one property, a manager with 50, or you're just getting started on Airbnb, this video is one you don't want to miss. Because pricing strategy is one of the most important and most misunderstood parts of hosting on Airbnb. It is without a doubt the single easiest way for the vast majority of you to increase your earnings with the least amount of effort. My tool of choice for this for a number of years now has been PriceLabs. PriceLabs is a dynamic pricing tool that automatically adjusts your Airbnb rates based on market data, demand patterns, seasonality, local events, and a bunch of other factors. Instead of you sitting there and manually tweaking your prices every single day, PriceLabs does all that heavy lifting for you. I've personally been using it across all my properties for several years now, and I've seen amazing results. But here's the thing, even with all that automation, there was still one major problem that PriceLabs couldn't solve. And it's a problem that every single host has faced at some point. Your listing goes through a dry spell. Maybe it's a few weeks, maybe it's a few months, but you're just not getting any bookings. And what happens when you don't get bookings? Your listing starts to lose visibility in Airbnb's search rankings. And when you lose visibility, you get even fewer bookings. It becomes this horrible downward spiral where you're stuck watching other hosts in your area get booked while your calendar just sits empty. Up until now, the only real solution was to manually drop your prices and hope that that would be enough to break the cycle. But you had to guess how much to drop them and for how long, and it was basically just throwing darts at a board and hoping that something would stick. But that all changed recently when PriceLabs launched something called the Booking Recency Factor. And guys, this feature just makes so much sense. Booking Recency Factor is a smart feature that automatically detects when your listing hasn't received bookings for an extended period of time. Then it applies strategic temporary discounts to improve your visibility and increase your chances of securing bookings. The key word here is strategic. This isn't just randomly slashing your prices. This is calculated, data-driven pricing that's designed specifically to break you out of that booking drought cycle. Now, why is this such a big deal? Because it addresses the biggest gap that existed in dynamic pricing. Before this update, PriceLabs was fantastic at optimizing your rates based on market conditions, but it couldn't really help you when your listing got stuck in that low visibility trap. It was reactive to market demand, but it wasn't proactive about solving booking droughts. This new feature changes that completely. Here's how the algorithm actually works, and I think you're gonna find this is pretty fascinating. The booking recency factor only kicks in when your listing meets very specific criteria. First, you need to have had no bookings for 15 days or more. Second, your reservation data needs to be current, meaning it's less than 3 days old. Third, your listing needs to have been syncing with PriceLabs for at least 7 days, so the system has had enough data to actually work with. But here's where it gets really smart. The feature also looks at your occupancy compared to the rest of the market. It'll only apply the discount if either your listing's occupancy is less than 10% for the next 30 days, or if your occupancy is less than 80% of the market occupancy and below 70% overall for the next 30 days. So it's not just looking at whether you've had bookings recently, it's actually analyzing whether you're underperforming compared to similar listings in your area. When the feature does trigger, the discount structure is also really intelligent. If you haven't had a booking in 15 days, you get a 5% discount. If it's been 45 days or more, the discount increases linearly up to 15%. And here's what I love about this. The discount only applies to the next 30 days in your calendar. It's not devaluing your long-term far out rates. It's specifically targeting your near-term availability to get you back in the game. Also, and this is super important, the discounts will always respect your minimum price settings. So if you set a minimum price of $100 per night, PriceLabs isn't going to drop you below that just because this new feature kicks in. It's working within the boundaries you've already established. Now, just like pretty well all the settings in PriceLabs, I'm sure this will soon become customizable. Right now, you can only choose whether or not to toggle this feature on, but in the future, this is likely to change. If that does happen, then you'd likely be able to adjust the discount percentages or modify the criteria for when it triggers. But honestly, the default settings are pretty well calibrated based on PriceLabs data across thousands of different listings. So what should you expect when this feature triggers? Well, you'll see the discount reflected in your pricing recommendations, and PriceLabs will show you exactly why the adjustment was made. You'll be able to track how the temporary discount affects your booking velocity, and in most cases, you should start seeing improved visibility and booking inquiries within just a few days. I've personally been experiencing a bit of a slowdown on Airbnb where I've been struggling to get my weekdays booked and have needed to manually go in and apply discounts. Just 1 week after turning on this setting in my PriceLabs account, I've already gotten 2 midweek bookings for $1,000 each. No exaggeration, all I did was come into PriceLabs, toggle on the setting, and let it do its thing. Now, let me tell you why this makes PriceLabs 100 times better than it was before. Prior to this update, you still needed to manually intervene when your listing hit a booking drought. You had to recognize the problem, figure out how much to discount your rates, and manage the whole recovery process yourself. With the Booking Recency Factor, that entire process is now automated. PriceLabs can detect the problem before you even realize it's happening and implement a solution immediately. This also sets PriceLabs apart from every other pricing tool on the market. Most dynamic pricing tools are focused on optimizing rates based on demand and market conditions. But PriceLabs is now the only tool, to my knowledge, that can proactively rescue your listing from booking droughts. Now, I'm not going to sit here and say that pricing is now completely set it and forget it, but this is definitely a strong step in the right direction. For monitoring your performance, I still recommend keeping an eye on your PriceLabs dashboard to see when the feature triggers and how it affects your booking patterns. You'll want to track not just whether you get bookings, but also whether your search rankings and visibility improve over time. Which, as a pro tip, you can now use IntelliHost to track performance completely free. They made the switch recently to go from $11 or so a month to 100% free. So it's really a no-brainer now. This Booking Recency Factor is exactly the kind of advanced pricing strategy that we dive deep into inside B&B Tribe. We have an entire advanced pricing strategies module that covers not just PriceLabs setup, but how to layer different pricing tactics like this Booking Recency Factor with seasonality adjustments, competitor analysis, and market-specific optimizations. We also cover how to use PriceLabs' other features like seasonal profiles, minimum stay requirements, and custom pricing rules to maximize your revenue. Plus, inside B&B Tribe, you get our performance tracker that helps you measure the actual impact of these pricing optimizations on your bottom line. It's one thing to see your occupancy rate go up, but it's another thing entirely to quantify exactly how much additional revenue and profit these strategies are generating for your business. Anytime I discover new tools or new strategies, B&B Tribe members are the first to hear about them. So by joining B&B Tribe, you get first access to training that could literally make you thousands of dollars a month. Just like Fahim, who landed his first $15,000 reservation using the systems we teach. Or Mary, whose listing is always among the top performers in her market. Or Andrew, Hanif, or Joanna, or literally dozens of other members who are absolutely crushing it with these simple strategies. The combination of proper pricing strategy and the right tools can absolutely transform your hosting business. It's $49 per month, and honestly, if you optimize just one booking per month using these strategies, the membership pays for itself. So click the link at the top of the description down below and check it out for yourself. I'm so confident in the value that you'll get from joining that if you aren't 100% satisfied for any reason at all within your first month, just reach out and request a refund, no questions asked. Drop a comment down below and let me know if you're using PriceLabs and what your experience has been so far. I'd love to hear about any booking droughts you've experienced and how you've handled them in the past. And if this kind of tactical Airbnb content is helpful for you, then make sure you hit that subscribe button because I've got a lot more optimization strategies coming your way. If you want the complete pricing strategy training along with all the tools and templates I mentioned, you can check out BNB Tribe using the link in the description down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.